So on December 15, 2022, I hired a nutrition expert, Dr. Lazarus. He's great. I told him he was going to bring me back from the dead. And what Dr. Lazarus did is he got me thinking in a different way. He said, Danny, this isn't about losing weight. It's about gaining years. That hit me. And then he never asked me to do anything too difficult. He said, I want you to drink more water. I want you to take more walks. And you can have your whiskey every night, but instead of 4 glasses, have 3. I could do all that. And every 2 weeks, he made me come to his office to talk about my progress and to do a weigh-in. And in 1 year's time, I had lost over 15% of my body weight. Better yet, he told me I had reduced my risk of cancer and dementia by over 50%. I'm happier, I'm healthier, I'm loving my life, and it's all because I decided to make a change. Now is your time to make positive changes in your life. Now is your time to create your well-crafted story. Now is your time to earn the income, to have the freedom, and to make the impact you've always wanted. Now is your time. Thanks for all you do, everybody. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy.